I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Click Create Integration. Search and select WPForms for the trigger. Select a form, then click Next. Search and select Action SuiteDash. Give here your public ID and secret key. So please visit SuiteDash public ID and secret key. Copy the public ID and paste it here. Add secret key. Give here a meaningful name. Copy the secret key, save it, and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Choose a role. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the SuiteDash site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the SuiteDash site. Thanks for watching.